So how to create these ultra realistic images using ChatGPT, and I will show you full step-by-step process how you can do this. You can also generate virtually any celebrity you want. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the celebrities on YouTube because it is restricted, but I have the video on my Instagram. Check the link in the description. So how you can do this is really easy. You will just write this prompt, and I would suggest you to use the ChatGPT app, which is totally free, because when you use the ChatGPT on web, when there is some restriction, the whole process will stop, but on the app, the process will continue. It will just find a workarounds and basically generate you the 10 images or 20 images, doesn't matter. So it will basically try until the job is finished. So here is the full prompt. It will be also below in the description. So here you can swap, for example, write Messi, Erling Haaland, Cristiano Ronaldo, Michael Jordan, whoever you want. And here you will basically write a location. You can also add different stuff you want, for example, something funny or something serious, something blurred, I don't know, whatever you want, but this is the main prompt that will give you the specifically ultra realistic results, as you already seen. And here you can also change the aspect ratio. I have set to 9:16 for Instagram and TikTok, basically for short form media, and just press run. And here you can see we have already the first results, and as you can see, these look ultra realistic, like taken with iPhone. These look like real life scenes. And again, you can swap these or generate the images with any celebrity on ChatGPT app, which is insane. And as you can see, I am using basically model 5.6, which is the newest, and the Sol is the strongest one. That's why it is thinking longer, but I think that's why the results are even better. And here is another one, and I cannot believe how realistic these look. So yeah, full prompt and all the links are below in the description. Also the Instagram link where you can see the video with celebrities. So yeah, thanks for watching.